Hello everybody and welcome to this week's time trial series. Today we have the Meepo Hurricane at the Manheim Community Park. The time to beat from last year is 3 minutes and 38 seconds, so we'll see if we can beat that here today. Crossed the finish line with 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Just a few seconds shy from last year's, but we did have to dodge a few things there. And I do believe that the trail itself, the cracks that were there last year, got a little bit worse. It's the way it goes, and I could have pushed it a little bit harder possibly. But I hope you all enjoyed the video today, and I will see you all next week.